What's up, guys? This is Errick Rocklong, and this is my Inkiverse. I'm originally from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I came to Alabama in 1989. The tattoo world, that's another family for me, from my staff to the people that I deal with on the road. When I come back home, it's time for me to be dad. It's time for me to be a husband. Those are the moments that I value the most. When I first came in, I couldn't get an apprenticeship. No one wanted to apprentice me. And so I had to do it myself. I had to go on YouTube. I had to take seminars so I could learn. And I'm not upset about that at all. That was the best thing that ever happened to me, because I think it gave me a chance to grow, be a lot stronger, and really focus on narrowing in what I wanted to do in this industry as a realism artist. When I first started the Platinum Koi, which is my tattoo studio, the first 3 years was hell. There were days where I would literally just cry on the couch because I thought I was gonna have to close. Honestly, I was young, I was having fun, I was being as creatively stupid as possible. Back then, I thought it was all about having friends. If I could just only get people out here to get a tattoo. I realized that it was better to create an experience than just to create a tattoo.
So for me, I support his dreams, his aspirations, whatever it is, I'm 1,000% behind him. It was my husband's vision, and whatever his vision is my passion. We are a team. The face of Huntsvegas is him, and everything about him has to be flawless, and we represent him. If we up, we up. If we down, we down. If we in the trenches, we gonna be together, because I'm here forever.
I never felt like I made it. I kind of try to keep to a humble spirit of understanding that although I'm learning, I'm still learning. The application of learning doesn't stop because you reach an achievement or a goal and you think that you're here. Now I'm at a point where I'm learning that my achievement is me constant being in the process of learning and understanding that I don't know anything as much as I thought I knew everything. Most of us start off as apprentices or scratchers or people who are not even that great at tattooing. But through motivation, dedication, determination, we really push ourselves to the highest of heights and achieve the greatness that we're looking for. And as we do that, the industry follows in that path and gives us that kind of glory and that love that we're looking for.